Yes, hello fans, we are here once again for the unboxing. Like I told you in my previous video, we unboxed the Samsung Qn990C soundbar, and now we are going to unbox the Samsung Qn995B 75 inches TV. Just to give you a preview, come and see where it is written. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. See it here. See it here. See it. BN95, made in whatever. See it. That's the model number. But I will show you once we start unboxing. So this is the 75 inches. This is the 75 inches. So we are doing the unboxing. I've already brought out the One Connect box. Video the One Connect box. That box. That box. That's the One Connect box. It comes with the beauty about this TV is that this One Connect box helps the TV so that you will not need to clean wall mounting. So once you mount the TV stays the way it ought to be. Then you now use your HDMI to connect to this. It gives it that frameless design. So this is the One Connect box. All the cables go through here. This is where the power goes through. So that most TVs you see they always have the side where all these stuffs are. But in this Samsung particular model, you have the One Connect box which gives it that minimalistic design. And this is the cord. This is the cord which goes into the HDMI. So this goes to the One Connect box. This goes in here, while this other end goes into the TV itself. So let's unbox the TV and let's see what is actually in it. So here we go. It's a massive one, 75 inches, so bear with me. So I'm just unboxing for the first time. Just arrived, like I told you, 3 items arrived today. The Qled95B, which is this TV, the Samsung Qn990C, the soundbar, which you've already did in video. So this is, I'm just unboxing this now to give a view of this particular one. So just bear with me. It's supposed to be a 2-man job, but I'm just taking my time. So this is the styrofoam that was used to hold it together so that there will be no accidental damage. So this is the styrofoam. Put that on the side. So there's another styrofoam in here. The packaging. There's another one here again. So let me see if I can fold it on the ground. This is the back. So this is the front. So let me fold it on the ground so that I can slide it out for you to see. So this is the TV. So this is the screen of the TV. You can see it. Samsung Qn995B. Very large. This is how it looks. You can see it. This nylon needs to go. So I need something to put under so that you can see it properly. So here, take. So I need to raise it up. but I need something to put on there. Something to put on there. So this is just the unboxing of the Samsung Qled 95B for you to see. I will do another in-depth video once I mount it to the wall. So thank you all for your time, and stay tuned for several videos to come. Bye bye.